Hello, my friends. I hope you are doing good and thank you so much for your support. Now, as I promise you that I will come soon with my new video that will cover the topic numericals for spherical mirrors. So today I have brought some that simple techniques to solve the numericals in case of spherical mirror that are concave and convex mirrors. So we will learn in today's video that how to solve numericals by using our sign conventions. But before starting the video, kindly subscribe my channel to get new videos to help you people to learn the topics. Like it, share with your friends, share with others, and comment, give your feedback to me. So let's proceed now. Now in previous video, we have learned the ray diagrams and the sign convention based on the ray diagram, how to take our sign convention. Now these sign conventions what we have learned in our last video, we will use these signs in solving the numericals. So today we will see what is a mirror formula, what is magnification, how to find magnification, and how to solve our numericals for these mirror. So let's start and just be ready with your register, with your pen, and let's start now. So now you can see friends on the screen here, the mirror formula which you have to use in solving the numericals, that is 1 by u plus 1 by v equals to 1 by f. And here u stands for object distance, v stands for image distance, and f stands for focal length. And in numericals also you must have seen you have been asked to find out magnification or height of the image or something else related to that. So what is linear magnification? Means here you are comparing the size of image with size of object. It may be larger, it may be of same size, or it may be smaller than that. So ratio of height, it can be defined as ratio of height of image and height of object. So linear magnification formula you can write as ratio of height of image and height of object. So as you can see here, m equals to h dash upon h. H dash here is what? That is height of image, and h stands here as height of object. And one more formula you may use to find linear magnification, that is the ratio of image distance and object distance. But don't forget to put negative sign. Okay, don't forget to put here negative sign. Just correct the spelling of negative first. So this is negative sign. The formula will be what? That is m equals to minus v by u, and m equals to h dash upon h, where h dash is height of image and h stands as height of object. So now we will check how to apply these formulas in solving the numericals. Now, if we see what is question number 1 here, that is an object 2 centimeter in size is placed 30 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? What will be the nature and size of the image formed? So let's start how to do it. First, mark what information given to us. That is 2 centimeter in size. Object size is 2 centimeter. What is that? This is given h. H is size of object, that is 2 centimeter. Is placed 30 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Is placed at what distance? 30 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. So it is object distance. Then we will write u equals to what? 30 centimeter. First we will write the information and then we will consider our sign. What sign we have to put? Is it plus or minus? Now what is the focal length of concave mirror? This is what? That is f equals to 15 centimeter here. F is 15 centimeter, right? So the information is given at what distance from the mirror should the screen be placed, means where the image is formed. So you have to find V here. And other than that, what else you have to find? Nature and size, means H dash also, and what is the nature also. These two things also we need to find. So let's find first what is the value of image distance. What is the formula? So we have to, first of all, we will divide our screen into 3 parts so that we can use the space here and write the formula here, which is used for mirror numerical, that is 1 by u plus 1 by v equals to 1 by f. Now, before that, we have to consider what are the sign we have to take it. So, h height of object. Now, you have to recall the sign conventions which we have learned in our last video. And in the beginning also, I have shown the sign conventions table. I hope you have noted down somewhere. So, height of object always we keep above the principal axis. So, h will be positive always, what irrespective of the nature of mirror in both the mirrors. 30 centimeter in front of concave mirror means u is 30. Always where we keep the object, we keep always on left hand side. So u is minus 30 centimeter. Because of left side direction, we have kept our object, you can say, where? On the left side of the concave mirror. Focal length, it is a converging mirror. Concave mirror is a converging mirror. So after converging, how does it converge? If you see here, remember, this is your mirror. Which mirror? This is your concave mirror. And if rays of light are falling on that, what happens in that? These rays will converge and they will meet where? On left hand side only. So that's why F is also negative here. Negative why? Because it is on left side. So F is also minus 15 centimeter. So now put this thing in this formula only. So let's see. Now we have to put U, that is minus 30. V, we will not put anything. We will just keep as it is because we have to find the value. And 1 by F is 1 by minus 15. Now you have to rearrange your numbers. So 1 by V equals to 1 by minus 15. And this minus 30, when you bring it on other side, what will happen? This become plus 1 by 30. Simple mathematics we have to use. The simple calculation. In hurry, don't do such mistakes. Right? The LCM. What is LCM? LCM is 30 only. And after solving, you'll get minus 2 plus 1. Or we can say the answer will be minus 1 by 30. So from here, what is the value of V? You have to reciprocal because this is 1 by V. So it will be minus 30 centimeter. So you get the position of image. That is what? 30 centimeter. Negative sign shows what? Where it is? It is on left side. Same side. And it is real and inverted. As it forms on the same side, means left hand side, after actually converging the rays, light rays, so the nature will be what? That will be real. This will be real and inverted. Fine. This will be real and inverted image. Easy. Now, but one more part is there. What is the size of image form? So if you remember what two formulas I told you, H dash upon H and minus V upon U. So first of all, we will see that what is the value of magnification. So what is the value of magnification? Magnification is equals to, that is minus V upon U. And one more formula, we know that, what is this? This is H dash upon H. H dash upon H. So if you compare the things here, M is equal to both the formula. So you can equate, you can use this one more formula. So after putting the value, now minus N is already here. Minus, what is the value of V? We got it as minus 30. So So one more minus will come as minus 30 centimeter. Now divide by u. What is u value we have taken? That is minus 30 again. So it will also be minus 30 equals to, what is h dash? H dash we don't know. We have to find out. And what is h here? That is 2 plus 2 centimeter. So this will be cancelled out. Minus sign will be left here. So h dash will be what? That will be, after doing cross multiplication, you will get minus 2 centimeter. So minus 2 centimeter. So height of object is 2 centimeter and height of image is also 2 centimeter. But its minus sign shows always what? Real and inverted. When you get h dash as negative or magnification as negative, means the nature of image is real and inverted. So you will say what? Now what you have concluded? This the nature is what? Real, inverted, and what is the size? That is 2 centimeter, same size. So you can say the size is same sized image we are getting here. Same sized image we are getting. I hope you understood how to do it. Let's see another example also. That is again, it's easy. Question number 2. What is question number 2? A concave mirror. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified enlarged real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? Where the image is located, that we have to find out. So let's start now. Let's take our pen, start it. What they have given to us, magnification is what? Magnification is 3. 3 times means 3. As I told you, if magnification is real and inverted, the sign should come negative, right? Object is placed at 10 centimeter. Where at 10 centimeter? So means u is minus 10. Why minus 10? Because always we keep our object which side? Left hand side. So that's why minus 10 centimeter. Where is image located means you have to find v here. So magnification equals to minus v by u. Right? Simple formula we have. So let's see. Magnification is given to us, that is minus 3 equals to minus, what is v? V we don't know, we have to find v. And what is u here? That is minus 10 centimeter. So minus and minus cancel out. Bring it on that side, cross multiplication, and v is equals to what? That is minus 30 centimeter. What you have concluded from here means image distance is at 30 centimeter. Which side? Negative sign shows which side? Left side. Which side? That is left side. Okay? That is left side. Enjoying and gaining confidence how to solve the numericals now? Very good. Now then, one more example. An object 5 centimeter in length placed where? Distance of 20 centimeter in front of convex mirror, diverging mirror. What is radius of curvature? 30 centimeter. Position of image, its nature, and one more thing we can add here, that is size. That is size of image, right? That we have to find out here. So let's start how to find out. First write down the information. H here 5 centimeter, object distance, object height, that is 5 centimeter. Object height is 5 centimeter. Where the object is kept 20 centimeter. So u is always u what you have to take minus and h will always be plus. Explained you in sign conventions. I hope you remember, recall the concept again by watching the video. Now, instead of focal length, they have given us what? Radius of curvature. So, what is radius of curvature? Radius of curvature is given here 30 centimeter. So, when we have done the ray diagram, you remember radius of curvature is what? That is double of focal length. That is double of focal length. So if you find here f will be what? That is r by 2. So this will be what? 30 upon 2. So how much focal length you are getting here? It is 15 centimeter. So from radius of curvature, by dividing 2, we can get easily focal length. By dividing by 2 only, that is 15 centimeter here. So what is a focal length in case of convex mirror? It is not concave, it is a diverging mirror, convex mirror, virtual focus. So we get on right hand side. So it will be plus only. This is plus 15 centimeter. So what we have to find? Again, we have to find V. And what else? We have to find H dash as well. So let's see quickly. Now here you pause the video and try yourself once and then you check it out. So now we will see how to do it. So formula is what? Again, that is 1 by U plus 1 by V equals to 1 by F. That we have done it. That we have seen the formula. Now put the values. What is U here? U is how much? Minus 20. That is minus 20 here. What is V? V to we have to find. And what is F here? That is 1 by 15. So rearrange the number and solve it the same way. Simple mathematics, you have to use simple calculations. 1 by 15, 1 by minus 20 will go on other side. We'll bring it on other side, right? So this will become plus 1 by 20. Plus 1 by 20. The LCM of 15 and 20 will be what? That will be 60. So 15 into 4, 60. And this will be 3. So that will give you the value at 77 upon 60. Not 70. 7 by 60, but it is 1 by V. What do we want? We want V only. So reciprocal the number. This will be 60 by 7. You may leave it in fraction also. If you want to convert in decimal, you are most welcome in doing so. So this is what? That is V and it is coming plus. Remember, always we get our image in case of convex mirror on right hand side. Always it is virtual. That's why it is plus. Now let's see how we'll get the size. The size again is H dash we have to find out. So how will you find out H dash? Same way. Magnification. There are two formulas. With which two formulas? Minus V by U equals to H dash upon H. H dash upon H. So now we will use this combination. This one. So minus, what is V? We got it as how much? 60 by 7. So just put it here. 60 by 7 divided by what is U? That is minus 20 centimeter. From where I have written U? From here. Equals to what is H dash? That we have to find out. What is H? That is 5 centimeter, which will always be positive. So first you just solve. First you have to solve your left hand side. So we can, by putting 1 here, solve it. This will come what? 60 by 7 into 1 by 20, right? Minus and minus because they are cancelling out, right? Don't forget it. So this will be cutting here by 3. So you will get here 3 by 7. This is 3 by 7. And this is equals to what? That is H dash upon 5. So now we have to do cross multiplication. So we will rewrite this formula, this equation on the next page. That is 3 by 7 equals to H dash upon cross multiplication that we have to do. And what is h dash here? H dash will be 3 by 7 into 5. 3 by 7 to 5, and that will give you the value 15 by 7 centimeter. This is 2 point something value. Fine. Now, what was the size of object? That is 5 centimeter. What is the size of image? That is 15 by 7 means 2 point something. So, always in case of convex mirror, we always get small size image. Always. Remember it. So, what is the nature now? Nature of the image, that is what? Because it is on right hand side, plus sign B. So, it is virtual. It is virtual. This is erect. And the compared to object size, the size is coming what? Small size image, which we always get this nature in case of convex mirror, irrespective of the position. So this is how you have to solve your numericals. I hope you people liked it. You have learned it. Be happy. Keep learning. Keep supporting. Subscribe the channel. Share with others. And we'll keep learning. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye. Take care and be safe.